Ooh, welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. What is going on, man? I hope everybody's having a nice 4th of July, whatever it is, however way you celebrate the 4th. I hope you enjoying it. Let me put it like this, okay? Y'all know how careful I am with my words. I don't want to offend anybody, okay? So I hope you're enjoying it. Now, as for me, I have a lot of work to do here in my home. Okay, I'm talking about a lot of work. So these next 2 days I'm gonna spend. Of course, the dealership was off closed today on Saturday, and of course they closed on Sunday. So I have 2 days off. That should give me enough time to clean up. Guys, I have so much shit. Can't say shit when you're monetized, but I have so much stuff to clean up. And I ain't even ashamed no more. I don't mind showing y'all. Let me show y'all what's going on around here, man. Hold tight. All right, guys. Oh, man. Look at all of this. Okay. Now, first of all, I'm about to come out of mechanic mode and go into plumbing mode. All right. Y'all see that right there? Yes. The toilet in the one of the bedrooms have took a crap. No pun intended. Took a crap. All right. So I got to replace. Now, these are fairly easy, but y'all know me. I'm always hunting for content. And because I have went to the format of twice a day, this will be one of them. Okay, so I have to get that installed. And y'all, I told y'all yesterday about my cage, my weightlifting cage showed up. So, but the thing about that, guys, it has to go right here. I don't want it outside in the back, open to the rain. So I'm gonna be doing fitness videos right here. The only problem, all this shit. I mean, look at this guy. This is my studio, my music studio. Well, I haven't done a session in a while. Obviously, I can't because it's too cluttered. And this is where I was going to be doing my mechanic news channel. Guys, when you do videos, you don't see none of the surroundings, guys. I mean, you trapped pretty much in a closed area. By the time the creator is done editing, all you're going to see is the creator and a little small space. You're never going to see any of this crap. I don't mind showing y'all this. Some people may call me a pig, a rat pack. But guys, I'm telling you, man, these 2 days off are very, very much needed. Okay? In fact, I'm going to call this break time. BT with JT. All right? Sure, we off today. But I'm about to take a break, a good day break, cleaning all this up. Now, I have some attic space up there. So I'm going to pull that down and try to transfer all the stuff I'm going to keep at least up there. The stuff I'm not going to keep, I'm going to get my red truck. Think about my little Nissan truck. It has transmissions and engines on the back. I haven't had time to make a scrapyard run. So y'all know how I do my scrapyard runs. I got to get a run. I got to find time to get over there. They closed this weekend. So I guess I'll store most of this stuff. This car going to have to come out. So quite frankly, and it's going to sit outside while I move the stuff that's thrown away over here until probably Tuesday when I make a scrapyard run. I even got a lot of crap over here on the side. A lot of this stuff I'm gonna put on sale. A lot of stuff is going on for sale, eBay and stuff. There's some of the parts and the tools I have, but I got to get my studio back up and running because I have sessions coming up. My buddies just signed an artist and they need production work. I make beats, rap music, country music, any kind of music, okay? And this is going to be my spot where I do a fitness video. So all of this, the toolbox going to have to, I'll probably hide it over here somewhere. But I'm going to have to rearrange this whole thing, guys. So my 4th of July will be spent cleaning. I'm talking both days, guys. So yeah, this is where I was gonna. It's been a change of plan because you can't do green screen with blue because by the time you key it out, some of the blue gonna come out. So I have to rethink that. All right, I tried a session here, and by the time I tried to key out all the green, some of this came out. It looked at a mess. So that's scrapped out of the plan. All of that's getting cleaned up. All of this, I got mechanics books laying everywhere. I'm gonna be pulling information out of, from when I was going to school, for when training session was going on. There ain't been no school in so long. I was even making repairs here. You see thermostats on the ground. Like I say, guys, some of you guys may call me a pig. It ain't that. It's just I haven't had time to clean up. I mean, when you recording and editing 2 videos a day and a day job and a night job and side job, it's just not that much time in the day. It's only 24 hours in a day, guys. But yeah, I have some diesel repair videos I want to shoot. This is all the books they give you when you go to school. So yeah, I got content galore. I will never run out of content to talk about. Here's the manual transmission that they have in some of the units. I'm gonna talk about all that. Here's my my daughter went to college for the human, all of this stuff. I'm finna dissect a whole lot of this stuff, talk about a whole lot of this stuff in my fitness, the fitness part of my channel, guys. The human body is pretty sophisticated, guys. Yes, it is. So I gotta dwell into all that. Look, a home alarm system. I ain't still brand new. I know I bought this a good year ago. Haven't even opened it, guys. Smart kit. So it's all Wi-Fi enabled. Thing about Wi-Fi enabled alarm system, the thieves pretty much know nowadays. I don't know. Some of the thieves are smart. Some of them are dumb. I think they dumb for being a thief. So let me put that out there. But the thing about Wi-Fi alarm, guys, the thieves have common sense now to go straight to your Comcast box and cut your Comcast wire from your home. That would leave you with no Comcast internet, which means you have no Comcast footage of them robbing you. So some of the thieves done got pretty sophisticated. So now Comcast is getting smart enough to hide the wire out of sight. It used to just be a coax wire coming from, out in wherever their line is, and you can visibly see it going into your box on the side of the house. Yeah, Comcast starting to get smart and hide that. They either bring it up out of the ground into your box or fix it to where they can't get a box, or either simply put a monitor out there looking at your box so you can get an alert when somebody's near your box. So it's a whole, and I probably shouldn't be broadcasting this all over the internet. Thieves may be listening. I don't know. But guys, my 4th of July is totally dedicated. Y'all remember when I talked about that? Y'all thought I was lying? Sitting right here in the flow. As a matter of fact, that video uploaded today. Today is Saturday. Yeah, my Harbor Freight trip. I told y'all don't buy that. That's junk. That is a Harbor Freight Pittsburgh radiator pressure test. They wouldn't give me my money back. I told you it was sitting in the garage on the floor. Yes, it is. All of this stuff got to get cleaned up. I got to get my music production back up and running. And this, if it's a lot of things I do, right? I multitask a lot, but producing and making beats requires creativity. So your brain got to be clear, okay? In order for you to create some music or a track, a new track, something you never heard, you got to really steer clear of music altogether. Because if you really hunting down, first of all, if you're not creative, some of the stuff you hearing on the radio can creep into your creativity, and you'll end up making a track that's already out there or that you done heard somewhere. So you got to steer clear of music, and you got to have a clear mind. I can't be thinking about an alternator while I'm here trying to create a beat for Jay-Z or something like that. So it just don't happen. In fact, I took the computer out, and it's in the other room where I do my YouTube editing, because I needed material off of there. I got a load of videos on that hard drive, mechanic videos that I know I already have footage of. Okay, so I try not to double film footage I've already had and use that time to do other stuff. But drum machine or bicycle, yes, I go for a ride. I used to go every morning, but now I don't have time, guys. There's not enough time in the day to do everything I want. But if it once, I know this is a weird, crazy thing to say, but if it wasn't for this stupid, silly day job, I could be really creative. And I'm talking about everything that I do creative. I can be. The day job sets the tone, though. It's like Michael Jordan. He wouldn't have all those endorsements if it wasn't for the NBA. So you can't get rid of the NBA. I mean, my day job opened doors for everything else. Okay, my day job allowed me to afford. You can't buy creativity. Okay, so my creative mind was already intact. I just needed equipment to display my creativity. So my day job allowed me to afford stuff. My creativity, of course, my knowledge on cars allowed me to be creative, filming and making videos and displaying them in a proper fashion. I try not to make videos, everybody else is doing. So my video might be totally different from, say, definitely different from a Chris Fix guy. He's in another world. He's on another planet. That guy's so far off the chain. I mean, everything he do is gold. So yeah, I don't want to be, really compared to anybody. And I don't want my videos to look like anybody else's. But as far as thumbnails go, that might be a different story. Okay, I'm starting to find out what works, but I'm still not, I don't want to steal anybody's thumbnails idea. So I just got to incorporate whatever I do into my own setting. So guys, let me wrap this up, man. I have way too much work to do. Okay, so you can see in the past I tried to refrain from showing y'all or from y'all seeing this, but hey man, it is what it is. Okay, my whole day is tied up at the 9-to-5 job and then back home editing videos. So these 2 days off will come extremely handy. Remember I told y'all I got my Journey back. That's a customer car and that's my car. I got to put the wheel on it. Trash can, of course. I'm a plumber today. That's another thing I'm gonna be doing. Taking my mechanic clothes off and put on my plumbing hat. That's fairly easy though, but I'm still gonna film it. I don't care. If somebody out there needs some instructions on how to install a toilet, and I plan to be the one to show them. Okay, so Cherokee, you got to go. You got to get out. You in the way. I gotta wire this up properly. I had ideas for the lights. Y'all remember when we rearranged the shop or redesigned the shop? They throwed away all these lights. For some reason, I grabbed me about 4 of them. Why? I don't know. I need to put them up so it can be lit up properly in here. Okay, so I won't be fighting for light. But I just haven't had the time, guys. The new camera I bought years ago, I don't even use anymore. Just junk everywhere. 2 bikes. Why do I need 2 bikes? I have no idea. Okay, but guys, let me get to work. Okay. Oh man, it's gonna be a long day. And in the process, because the day the 4th, I really want some barbecue, but my diet has changed, so I might make an exception today. I'm not a vegan. Don't get me wrong. I'm not a vegan. It's not that I don't eat meat. I try my best to avoid it. The cravings are still there, guys. I'm talking about that on my fitness channel. I'm gonna be vlogging fitness and how I eat and what I eat, because guys, as far as numbers go, if you're a numbers guy and you go take a physical and a lot of people base their physical health around the numbers that they get after their physical is done. Okay, you take a physical, full-blown physical, the doctor give you a report. They're typically mail it in 3 days, and you base that off of that. I mean, I guess you can do that, but I mean, it's really, how you feel. And I'm not on any medication. I'm not prescribed to anything, guys. I'm in good health, and I want to keep it that way. I want to age gracefully. Again, guys at work always tell me, "You stupid, man. Enjoy your life and do this, do that." You're not gonna live. When it's time to go, it's time to go. I understand all that. I agree with you. What I'm doing is not gonna make me live to see 120 or 100 for that matter. That's not my goal or my plan. I'm just trying to age gracefully. I don't want to be dependent on medication or anything like that. Or I just want to be healthy. I mean, yes, that stuff tastes good. I'm not gonna say I would die for a nice big plate of ribs right now, but if my family member, let me say this, if my family member sneaks something home and it's on the plate, I'm a fuss. Who brought that in here? But I'm gonna eat it. So I'm just like, I think my position is I'm just like smokers. A guy that's trying to quit smoking. You know what I'm saying? The first stage, the first thing he go through is withdrawal. He gonna stop buying. Okay, let me put it that way. He's not gonna buy cigarettes no more, but he will continue to smoke them. In other words, he'll smoke OPs. So that's pretty much where I'm at, and I'm even trying to get out of that. Okay, as far as the hardcore meat, but deep red meat, no, that's out of the question. I'm not eating deep red meat. Chicken wing and here and there, but yeah, I'll sneak and do that. But I'm not gonna buy it. So if somebody bring me a barbecue plate, I might. Hey, man, I'm just saying. You know, I'm human. Don't judge me. Guys, I'm tripping, but I got a lot of work to do, so let me get started, man. That's all I have. I just want to vlog my garage. It is a hot mess. Do not judge me. Yes, I am. You can call me a pig rat. I will accept that, you know. Who's that? One guy, I got a subscriber, just tell it like it is. He don't care what he say. And I appreciate that, man. Because, hey, man, there's no way you can hurt my feelings. I had to block a couple of guys. And it's not because something they said. It's because something they just literally doing. I got a couple of guys on the channel, man, just question after question after question after question. And you know me, I'm a nice guy. Answer them after answer them after answer them. Good advice. Appreciate it, man. Without you, I don't know what I'd do without you, man. Appreciate. And they subscription rate is open, right? Meaning it's public. I can see it. I'm like, bro, are you going to subscribe to the channels? I'm still trying to grow this channel. I really could use your subscription. You know, and I go to their subscription page. They subscribe to Scotty Kilmore, all the big boys, you know. But they hear a bug asking me a gazillion questions. But all I ask for is a subscribe. It is so easy to click subscribe. So, I mean, I got to the point where, look, man, okay, instead of, you know, going back at them with words, look, are you going to subscribe or what? You do know I can see your subscription rate is not public. If he was smart, he would just hide it. But no, I don't know if I don't know. So I end up having to block him because you just can't blatantly come to me, come to the channel, pick up all this nice, good, free information, you know, use it to your advantage and not reward the content creator with a simple subscription. How crazy is that? Now, guys, again, it became blatant. It looks blatant, okay? It take a lot to flip me over like that. So I'm like, look, man, it's an option on YouTube, just block. The guy can't see nothing. Sure, he can easily create another YouTube page and still get the same information, but why go through all that? I don't understand people like that, man. But I'm just studying, rambling. God, let me get off of here. Let me clean up this pig pen. All right, I'll beat you to it. You don't have to call me a pig pen. I already know. It's official. I'm a pig pen. I'm a slob. I'm a pack rat. Look at all this crap. But I guarantee you, 2 days, 3 days from now, everything's going to be rearranged. Everything, guys. I mark my word. I'm going to do a video on the rearrangement. So I'm glad I'm getting this footage now because that'll show me a before I get the work area and an after. All right. Whoa, this video is too long. Guys, I got to go. Thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Not when I'm done, but I'll see y'all because this is first. So I'm going to start with this. I hope I got some space on my camera. All right. Let me get out of these mechanic clothes and put on some plumber's clothes. All right. I'm about to turn into a plumber. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all in a second.